I'm really happy you are here, and I'm really happy you chose to be here with me, to spend 4 hours with me. Fear number 2 in the world is death, and that takes us completely off present. Just have to be yourself. Being ourselves is easy, and then you don't depend on what other people think.
Fine, Mabel. Basically, I had COVID-19 and my family as well, but it came as a flu. I clean every single day in my home, and we had this mild symptoms, and I need to thank you because my family and myself went through this, and we went very well because we was doing the cleaning. So I really appreciate you.
No, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you.